In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text behind an image in Canva. This technique can really elevate your design by adding depth and creativity to your visuals, perfect for social media posts, presentations, or even personal projects. We'll go through each step to ensure you achieve that seamless look of having your text appear just behind an image. First, you'll want to start by opening Canva and selecting or creating a new design. Once you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on the text option. This section provides various text styles and options, but for this tutorial you should select Add a Heading. This will allow you to create a base text box that's perfect for our needs. Now that you've added the heading, go ahead and type your desired text. Remember, clarity is crucial here, so choose a font and size that will be easily readable once placed behind the image. Feel free to customize it by changing the color, style, or even adding effects if necessary. Once you're satisfied with how your text looks, you'll need to position this text over your image. Go ahead and drag your text box to the desired spot on your image. You might have to tweak its position slightly later, but for now just get it aligned to where you envision it being hidden behind the central part of your image. Next, click on the image you have in your design. With the image selected, you'll see a series of options for adjustment. What you need to do here is click on the duplicate icon, which is typically found in the upper right or on the toolbar that appears over your image, depending on your device and app version. This action creates an exact copy of your image, a crucial element for achieving the layered effect we want. Now for the magic, use the BG Remover tool. This tool might take a short moment to process as it carefully removes the background from your duplicated image. If you're not on a Pro subscription, you might need a workaround as the BG Remover is part of Canva's Pro options. Place the duplicated image exactly over the original. The key here is to align everything so that the layering looks continuous and natural. Make sure your duplicate image, which now has no background, completely covers the text. This is the step where you can fine-tune positioning to ensure that your text peeks perfectly behind your image, creating that sought-after effect. Once you've confirmed everything is in place, your text should now appear as if it's naturally nestled behind the image, offering a polished professional aesthetic. And there you have it, your text is now stunningly placed behind the image, ready to impress anyone who sees your design. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and images to see what creative designs you can come up with using this simple yet effective technique. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.